A very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to your maths class, and I hope that you all are doing great. Today, we will study about our next topic from the chapter number 2 itself. The name of the topic is subtraction. So, what is subtraction? The operation to find the difference between two values is called subtraction. Rule of subtraction. The rule of subtraction is same as the rule of addition, that first we subtract ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, and so on if the number increases. Now let's understand about some of the facts about subtraction. The first fact of subtraction states that subtraction of small numbers can be done horizontally. Subtract from ones first. Take borrow from tens mentally, then subtract from tens. And subtraction of large numbers can be done vertically, placed just below the place value chart. 0 subtracted from a number does not change the value of a number. The answer remains the same. 1 subtracted from a number gives the predecessor of the number as the difference. The larger number from which the smaller number is being subtracted is called as minute. The smaller number which is being subtracted is called as subtrahend, and their answer is called as difference. The order of numbers in subtraction cannot be changed. The greater number should always be above the smaller number. Let's see some examples of it. 528 minus 405. As we can see it that these are smaller numbers, so we can solve it mentally and by the rule of horizontal method also. So as we can see that on ones position the digits are 8 and 5. The greater number is having 8 as the ones position, and the smaller number is having 5 as the ones position. So 5 subtracted from 8 gives us 3. In the same way, 2 is on the tens position in the larger number, and 0 is on the tens position in the smaller number. So 0 subtracted from 2 gives us 2 itself. The last one, that 5 is there on the hundreds position in the larger number, and 4 is on the hundreds position in the smaller number. So 4 subtracted from 5 gives us 1, and here the answer is 123. Moving towards the another example, here the numbers are larger, so we cannot do it using the horizontal method. Here we will have to follow the vertical method of solving the question. So we will write the smaller number below the larger one. Then we will start subtracting them. So 3 subtracted from 9 gives us 6. Now we are having 2, so we will have to take carry from hundreds, and when we will take carry from hundreds, 2 will become 12. Now we will subtract 6 from 12 and we will get 6. Moving forward, now we are having 2 in place of 3 because we have already given 10 to the previous one. So it will again become 12 when we will take carry from this thousands. So when we will subtract 5 from 12 we will get 7, and here in the last now 6 is remaining, so 4 subtracted from 6 will give us 2. The answer which we will get will be 2766. Now let's take another example. Here the numbers are very large and the smaller number is written below the larger number and the numbers are being subtracted. So 5 minus 1 gives us 4. 2 minus 0 gives us 2. Now we are having 0. So we will have to take one carry from the next one. So 9 will give one carry to 0 and 0 will become now 10. So 10 minus 9 gives us 1. The 9 which has become 8 now, 8 minus 8 gives us 0. Now 2. So we cannot subtract 7 from 2. We will take one carry. So 2 will become 12. 12 minus 7 will gives us 5. Then 6. 7 will become now 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. And so here is the answer. Now I hope that you have understood enough about subtraction, and here are some of the questions which you should try by yourself to make it more clear. Take care, study well, and thank you.